Number 7.
Kuya Amel. Sira ko.
And there's the violation. Number violation. Number 13, Paul Bunaw for the Lagard. Number 20 with the rebound. Ito na ang Carrera. Number 6, Mendoza. To number 13. Too high for the pass. Turnover. Television Legends. Number 18, Tony Bunaw. Kick out to number 18. To number 7, pull up. 2 points by Galicia. Galicia. Number 16, wala, number 20, with the block. Number 18, to number 13, back to number 18, balik na number 13, number 9. Eto na ang kaya, number 16, Togabangeros. Number 16, kick out to number 20, full of J, Nanud. Wala pa rin, hindi pa rin nakakabutas. Luguna, number 5. Luguna with the drive-in, drop pass, number 9. Ready for his teammate. Pupina Gracia, number 5. Lipuna, 4-3. Umalog. Eto na naman ang Karoa, takbuhan, Minosa. Kita, Pupina Gracia, pass break, number 9. Intercept, Pascual, number 16. Number 16, Pascual, 4-3, no good. Dito to his teammate, put back. Lipuna, number 5. Trabas, wala. Number 9, full of J, wala pa rin. Minosa looking for their first field goal. Number 20, sa ilalim. Number 27, off the glass. Unang butas para sa Karoa. By jersey number 27, Gaboa. Number 5, Lubunay. Low post for number 7. Number 7. Number 7, turnaround jumper. Number 6, pass break kay Pascual. Ang pumalis na mga 40. Luguna, Epa. Rattling violation. Number 6, Binasa, number 6, Trapa sa ilalim, Mendoza Rizal. Ball limited by number 9. Having foul, 2 free throw. For number 27, Gaboa. First free throw is good. Gaboa, second attempt. Short, Galicia, Tony Bunaw. Bunaw, number 5. Drives in, and one, Tony Bunaw. Basket count, ball committed by jersey number 6, Minosa. Bonus free throw for the Bunaw. 3-point play for number 5. And he makes it 3-point play for number 5, Bunaw. Minosa to number 20. Covers it. Number 27 to number 16. Estate to number 20. Tries for 3. No good. Rebound. Tapang by Bunaw. Ball possession for Hoa. Baseline inbound po tayo. Inside player. Ito sa isang bago ng number 14, pushing foul, 2 free throws for number 27, number 1. Number 13, Tobubina Gracia. Number 18, Telebuna 14, Libuna 2 points. Number 18, Paminosa. Bungkot press ang ginagamit ng Roberto Legends. Paminosa, it's a player. Tap out by Galusia. Same ball. 11 second shot clock. 11 second shot clock. Number 3. Two-zone. Para Roberto Legends. Libuna again. Taas. Masyadong mataas. Pahawakan ng Pinosa. Same ball. Nakahulog press. 19 second shot clock. Number 13, Kapagero sa ilalim. Gambera. Tapal ko dyan. Substitution. This is number 20. Number 23, Tupet Drahas. Saison, the cross-court pass. Number 23, no good. Rebound by number 35. By Minosa, number 6, Minosa. Now Papigan, he overs the ball. Inside, number 10, Pamanda. And passive foul. Permitted by number 10. Number 24, number 20, number 23, steal. Palakas. Number 24, Pedras. Number 24, Ceylon. Number 12, short. Number 12, Ceylon. Number 10, number 6, Minosa. Naras ni number 24, Ceylon. Number 10, Jennifer. Drop pass. Ceylon. Foul committed by number 20. Pushing foul to free throw. Pasok yang terus ya kan? Terus itu. Drahas nagmamadali, running shot off the glass, 2 points. Quick 2 points para kay number 20. Which has scored 13-6 in favor of Televerde. Mendasa, turnaround jumper. Hanggang sa bola ng ni Kobe Bryant. Ito na naman, tumatakbo na naman ang Tero Verde. Di na binagaya, number 12, Ceylon. Warning. Second shot clock. Guerrero, Gavin. Turnover. Ball possession. Turnover the Legends. Number 20, number 24, Saison. The Kobe Bryant's of Turnover the Legend. Number 20, Bryce A. 2 points. Number 10. Another win offensive for number 10. Warning bench of Garhowa. Number 10, Tawal, second personal foul. Saison, number 24, Sagilet. Number 23, Lebron, Beko. Pass to Kobe Bryant. Number 24, Saison to number 20, drop pass. Save ball. 7 seconds shot clock. 7 second shot clock. Number 24, Saison. Number 23. One stays your player, Saison. One dribble pull up for Saison, number 24. So Kobe Bryant of Denver the Legend. Minosa to number 35, magpantay. Body. Magpantay, break. Spin cycle, short. Sayang, iba't kasala ng mga Urulaw. 20, wala, El Pepe. Wala, El Pepe with the rebound. Turnover. Good turnover the Legends. Number 4, easy dribbling the ball. Terminosa, number 6. Just drop to Minosa. Number 20. Saison to number 20. To El Pepe down below. El Pepe to Bryce. Magpantay. Number 5 to number 4. Andres. 3 points. Official score 22-9 in favor of Terrible Legends. Number 20. Pass to Kobe Bryant. Saison. Sailalim. Spin. To number 23. Drop pass. El Pepe. First shot. Guerrero on the rebound to Minosa. The dynamic point guard to Andres. Andres back to Minosa. Minosa. To number 35. Magpantay. King out to Minosa. To Andres. Another 3. Andres. David. And this series foul committed by jersey number 23. Booker. Running for penalty. Warning for penalty. Terrible the Legends. Sailalim. And 1-3. Basket count. Foul committed by jersey number 23. Penalty situation. Number 23. Third personal foul. Penalty for Pero Royal Legends. Number 10, Dawal, warning for continuous complaining. Bonus for Guerrero. Number 86, Saison, Steve Balbagtantay. Number 35, off. Traveling. Tunang number 20 goes number 23 Dr. Saison up traging yan number 24 traveling Minosa to number 4 Dr. Minosa spoon eto na Bogo is down 15 seconds remaining in the Saison ball committed by jersey number 4 for 15 seconds remaining 14 second shot clock 1 second differential Bogo number 23 Saison 4-3 Saison no good 5 seconds remaining up turnover line ball 3 seconds remaining buzzer na lang tayo Wala number 4